Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got done filming my what's in my hospital bag from when I go and have the baby. So if you want to see that, it was my previous video. I'll link it for you up here. But today I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm bringing in the baby's hospital bag. It's a lot smaller than mine. It's just this, super simple. So I'm going to share with you guys everything I'm bringing. You're good to see his coming home outfit. I was thinking I was going to like make it a surprise, but I'll just show you guys in this video because I want to. And some other stuff that I'm bringing. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have packed everything in my Neverfull. I love this bag. I bring it with me on all my trips. This is a little bit different than my normal travel trips, but I still packed it anyway. So all of his stuff fit in here perfectly. Really easy to get to. So as you guys know, I like packing with packing cubes. So I do have one small one in here, but then the rest of the stuff I just put in here. So let me take it out and then we'll get started. Okay. It's not very much. I really don't think I overpacked at all. So here's the little packing cube. It's a really tiny one because all of his clothes are so tiny and cute. So in here I have, just like I said, his clothes. So I assume that the hospital is going to have most of the things that I need besides, you know, like his coming home outfit, basically. That's how I feel at least. Maybe not, maybe I'm wrong. So you guys could let me know if there's something I'm missing, but that's how I feel. So the only other kind of random things that I'm bringing that I probably don't need, but I'm bringing anyways, just because it's so cute, are his little hairbrush and comb. And I'm thinking he's gonna have lots of hair. Michael and I were both born with full heads of hair. So that's one thing I've been like waiting to do, is like I've been so excited just to brush his hair. So I have that. Who knows if I'll use it, but we're bringing it. I also heard that it was good to bring some pacifiers. I don't really have any plans on using them because I am going to try and breastfeed. So I've heard obviously that it's not good to like use the pacifier if you don't need to, but it doesn't take up any space, and if I desperately need it or have to have it, then I have it. So I also have this little bib. I just think this is so cute and tiny, and all of his stuff that he's coming home in is like white and light blue and gray. So we have the little bib. We have the little mittens to protect his little hands from scratching his face. These are so cute and tiny. Okay, and then I did want to bring one pair of like little pajamas. So I just have this really cute little pair. It's so tiny. And this was a gift from Codalie, as well as this sweatshirt. Actually, that's kind of funny. But this was designed in France, and it's just like this cute little pajama onesie with little bunnies on it. It looks just like cozy and nice and warm. It's so tiny. So that's really cute. I love that. Okay, and then I have his coming home outfit. So first I have just the little onesie. It's been so fun like washing all of his stuff and getting it all ready. So just a little t-shirt onesie from Carter's. And then this outfit I actually got from Zara. I bought this back in the winter time, but I'm pretty sure they have it like all year round. It's just like their knit collection for babies. So these are the pants. Aren't they so cute? So they're just like little blue knit pants, and they have the little feet. And then I think this is, yeah, that's just fake. It's just like the little bow. And then it goes with this little sweater, which is also knit. It has the cute little buttons that go across. So there, I'll have like the little onesie underneath, and then we'll have the pants in the sweater. So that'll be a really cute little sweet outfit, but it gets better. Hold on. It gets better because this is his little hat, which I think is so cute. So I couldn't decide which one, so I'm bringing two, but I think he'll be wearing this hat. How cute is that? I love it. So I found all of these little hats on Etsy. I think I might have shown them in like a baby haul, but they're just little white newborn caps, and you can wash them, and then this is like a button. So you can take the little fluff ball off and on. And I just think it'll be so cute with this like all blue outfit and the little white and blue hat. But I also have this one that I had custom made on Etsy. I just found someone that like made hats, and I messaged them. I was like, hey, could you make one with a little silver star on it? Which I think is really cute. So she put the little silver star on the newborn cap. So that would kind of be cute with that too. Or even just with the little onesie, it'd be really cute. So I got the little hats and the little outfit. That's his coming home outfit. And it's snowing here right now, so we could have him at any time if it's really cold. I did want to kind of bring something to kind of keep him warm on the way home, and this is so cute. It's probably not going to fit him, but it's adorable. This was a gift from Michael's parents for Christmas, and we love it, and we look at it all the time because we think it's so cute. It's from Baby Gap, and it's just like this little comfy, I guess kind of like snowsuit type of thing, and it has the little ears there, so I am going to bring that. It's going to be way too big for him, but I don't care. I'm still just bringing it. I heard that it's good to bring a sleep sack, and so I am going to bring one sleep sack. This one is from Halo. It's like the swaddle one, so it looks like this. It just came out of the wash, so it's kind of like all wrinkled, but I'm sure you guys know what these are. They're just like easy swaddle type of blanket so the baby can sleep in there. So I'm just bringing one newborn size, and then I also have this little blanket. I got this from TJ Maxx, no, Home Goods, and it's Aiden and Anai, and it's just this really cute white blanket with the blue little animals, and then the other side is just white and blue. So this can kind of go to wrap him up if I don't want to put that snowsuit on him, or just keep him warm on the way home. And I might pack like another little swaddle blanket in here, but for the most part that is everything that I'm bringing. I am going to bring my boppy. The little cover for it is in the wash right now, but I heard that this is great to bring to the hospital. It kind of helps you if you can't move too well, but you do want to be breastfeeding. It kind of helps give you some support and hold the baby up, so I'm going to be bringing that. That is all that we're bringing for the baby. So that was everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out my what's in my hospital bag video if you want to see all of that. Give this video a thumbs up. Check out our vlog channel if you want to see like the whole thing go down, the birth vlog and everything. We're going to be vlogging the whole thing. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.